How to generate GLM5 token for free. Visit model.com/glm-5-endpoint and here you will find the link to login. If you don't have the login, then you just create the account and login. After login, click on create token name, and when you press enter, it will generate the token. So it generated the token. Copy this. Now go to and your base URL would be this. So copy this also. So this is the base URL. Now go to the Visual Studio Code and open cline. Now here you select for connect, then select the OpenAI compatible, and here you give this URL, the base URL, then you need to give the key. Now you have to provide the model. So this is the model zai-org/glm5fp8 and then click on done. So we are done now. Now we can use the GLM5 here. Now this is thinking. So it is saying, hello, I see you are in empty working directory. Now I will see. So this way you can get the free GLM5 token and use it into the line. Now it is thinking. So it is created the file and it is asking for save. Just save it. Now we have this hello world.java here. It correctly created the hello world.java file. In this tutorial, I showed you how to get the free GLM 5 token, which is valid till April 30th. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.